1027, 1035, WICY is your station for feel-good favorites from the 80s and more. I'm John Kazar, and we are joined by a member of Aliside Medical Center. It's a new one. I believe it's her debut with us, Sarah Moore, physician assistant, lined up with us today. How are you, Sarah?
I'm doing great today, John. How are you?
I'm excellent. I think you know what I do. You're hearing it. Maybe you've heard me on the radio before, but I want to know what you do, okay? What is a physician's assistant? Maybe more than just the title itself.
So, like a lot of the providers here at Aliside, we work to optimize patient care and patient health. We are going right alongside with our patients to improve all areas of health, whether that's diabetes, heart disease, cancer screening, weight loss. So we are really your advocates and your cheerleaders and your go-to people to improve your health.
Yeah, well, it sounds like, it's broad, but it goes in deep suddenly as far as the different things you will get into with them, so you got to be ready at all times, huh?
Absolutely.
So tonight, we have a live town hall event. It's a Q&A, 6 to 7 p.m. via Zoom, and the topic and what's going to be said. And I'll let you take it from here, Sarah.
So I'm very excited about this talk tonight. One of the biggest questions that I get from my patients is, how do I know if I have cancer? What can we do about it? I've got this family history. How can I check? And it's a big deal, I think, on the forefront of a lot of people's minds, especially here in COVID. People have been a little bit nervous about other aspects of their health as well and want to get checked. So we're going to focus on some routine cancer screening, what should be done, when it should be done, how it should be done, where we can have it done, and talk a little bit about prevention as well.
All I got to say is the reason you're doing this, there just must be so many people that are kind of looking for these answers. You wouldn't be doing this otherwise, right?
No, we're absolutely following the recommended screening guidelines, but it is certainly a question that I get every day. So happy to answer questions from the community about it.
Absolutely. So again, this is 6 to 7 p.m. Via Zoom. How do people get the link?
They can go directly to the hospital website, and they can link from there. I think we also have some advertisements on Facebook that they can check in there as well.
Okay, so the hope here, we're not to spread a disease, but more to spread information and kind of urge people to not wait for these types of procedures and routines, correct?
Certainly. And if they have any questions, bring them to the Q&A, to the town hall, or absolutely talk to your provider. We're happy to help.
Awesome. Physician Assistant PA Sarah Moore with us from Aliside Medical Center, as we always do an update out of Aliside Medical Center. And Sarah, before we let you go, as you're very efficient with what you're trying to get done here, and I appreciate that. Anything else you want to add in? You have the time right now.
Just highly encourage everyone to jump on the link and bring your questions with you. And like I said before, if you can't make it and you have something pressing, feel free to reach out to your primary care provider. We are here to help you. We are here to answer your questions and here to help you feel better.
I think it's a beautiful thing that people can do this from the comfort of their own home now. I think it will allow maybe even a better attendance and more questions to be answered. So thanks again, Sarah, for your time, okay?
Great. Looking forward to tonight.
All right. It's 1027, 1035, WICY. Sarah Moore with us. This is an update out of Aliside Medical Center. We do it Wednesdays at 9:40 inside the community.